Hello, I am Nuno Gonçalves, Innovation Manager at INCM, the Portuguese Mint and Official Printing Office. We are a partner of the April project financed by the H2020 framework of the European Commission, and we are an end user providing a use case for agile and collaborative robotics. As our company produces passports for Portugal and 5 other countries, our use case is related to the passport control quality process. The main idea is to have robots manipulating the passport booklets with agile hands. The personal data recorded in the passport needs to be checked, and the passport then needs to be processed for sending it out to the citizens. The big challenges here are mainly the manipulation of the passport booklets, whose pages have different materials with different textures and softness, and the process of placing the passport inside the envelope and closing it. All these operations are very meticulous, and the robotic hands and arms must be very precise and agile to accomplish these operations. Currently, this operation involves several workers with very repetitive procedures that cause tiredness and reduce motivation. In the scope of April, while this whole complex operation is divided into small gestures. The process is first modeled and simulated completely and then tested. In the end, we expect to achieve a fully automatic process supervised by the human operator, who will thus be performing high-level tasks rather than tedious and monotonous manual labor.